In this video, we'll be looking at two nodes, the number decorator and the math expression. The number decorator changes how a number is displayed. This slider outputs a percentage, so if we hook it up to decorate and number and set the decoration to generic, it will output a generic number. So there's a slider number, and then once it runs through the decorator, it outputs a generic number. We can change that to percentage, time, which is in seconds, so 26 seconds, 100 is a minute 40. Or we can do integer, which is the nearest whole number. With that out of the way, we can look at the math expression. The math expression has a built-in number decorator down here with the same options. The math expression, when it's triggered, this evaluate spot here, it will run this expression. Right now it's set to v1 plus v2, so it will be the slider position into v1 plus v2, which is 0. We can change v2 to 50, just like that. Or we could even add 50 here in the expression. This expression can be almost anything. If you click on this little book icon, you can see all of the different things you can do. Instead of x or y, you would put v1, v2, v3, or v4. So we can do v1 plus v2. I want the square root of that, just like that. Oh, maybe I want it times 3 plus 2. You can do anything in there, as long as you don't have these warnings, which means you probably have an invalid expression. Just like that.